Hey friends, it's Kimberly Lapidus from Eatsleepwear, and I'm excited to finally be sharing my cat eye tutorial with you. It's been one of my most requested beauty looks. I have literally been doing the cat eye for years, and it's my go-to signature eye look for day or night. I know the cat eye can be super intimidating, and honestly, I've messed it up more times than I got it right when I first started. But the more you practice, the better you'll get. You just have to go for it, and remember, if you mess up, makeup remover is your best friend. Hoping to give you a few of my tips and tricks so you can get a great cat eye on the first try. Today I am using my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. What I love about this one is that it really stays all day and won't budge because it is waterproof. I also find that the sponge applicator is easier to use than a brush applicator, so for all my first-time cat eye friends out there, I highly suggest you try a liquid liner with the sponge applicator. I will make sure to link all the products used in the description below after I'm done this video. Step 1. Draw a line from your outer corner to the middle of your eyelid. Make sure to keep this line thin and hug it to your lash line as close as possible. Step 2. Connect the line from your inner corner to the middle of your eyelid. Keep making sure that the line is nice and thin because you can always go back and make the line thicker. Step 3. Draw a dot at the outer corner of your eye. My trick here is to help you get both sides as even as possible. If you follow the curve of your bottom lash line, right when it curves up, place a dot in the outer corner of your eye. Step 4. Draw a line to connect the dot to the outer corner of your eye. My tip here is to also pull my skin tight so that I can create a fluid and crisp line. Step 5. Create your wing from the dot to your lash line. My trick is to hold the pen on its side, not on its tip, so that you can create a long, skinny line. Make small strokes to create your desired wing. Remember, it's always easier to make the line thicker with small additional strokes, so be careful, a little bit goes a long way. Step 6. Perfect your line. Here is where you want to fill in any sparse areas of your lash line and really thicken and darken up the line if you need it. Just take your time and use small controlled strokes to perfect the shape of everything. Step 7. Never forget mascara. Mascara gives your eyes that finished look, and my lashes are pretty blonde to begin with, so I never leave the house without it. Today I'm using Almay's One Coat Thickening Mascara. After my mascara, I use Q-tips to clean up any mess I made because let's be honest, I always get mascara all over myself in all of the wrong places. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this cat eye tutorial. My cat Miles clearly did. I know guys, I'm a goofball. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up below, and I can't wait to work on another makeup video for you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll link everything down below, and I'll see you guys next time.